retarded ass basketball.
Oh, this poor old puppy with 310,000, eh, buddy?
Doesn't want to start.
Oh. It's holding its day, eh, bud?
Yo, you want to do that,
Yeah, we gotta go get the John Deere, bud. This thing needs a proper exhaust, bud. Some cold starts, bud. Dude, some cold starts, bud? What does it feel like to be on YouTube? This puppy, I cold started it once and I had to flutter the pedal.
Sorry, man?
I had to flutter the pedal on this thing or this thing would have stalled.
Okay.
But it's not really that cold out. Oh frig, the Dodge is dickered, eh? You can't get the key to turn.
Yeah, I seen you at old man's house.
Hey?
I seen you at old man's house, fucking yard's a mess.
Who's that?
You were there on Saturday night.
At
old man's house, all the fucking chickens and shit wandering around.
in Acton or?
No, just in Aaron here. Just when you keep going straight through coffee time there.
Oh, Kelly's?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
And the buddy came up to you?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's my buddy. What the fuck's up with this? Is that the right key? Should be the key.
Dodge Ram Gray? No, I don't think so, bud. I think you got the wrong key, buddy. It should say Dodge Ram Diesel.